Welcome to episode 3 of What Aged and Confused. I'm Julie Davis. I'm the quality manager for Crate.
I'm Joe Wallnoffer, the director of operations.
So today we're going to talk about aging of beef. Our beef is wet aged. There's two different types of aging. There's wet aging and dry aging, which we'll get into a little bit later. But wet aging means that it happens at refrigerated temperatures, very, very cold, usually 28 to like 32 or 35 degrees. And it happens in a vacuum packaged bag. So you can see here we have a sirloin, we have a strip loin, and we have our chuck roll. And this is all in a vacuum packaged, sealed tight bag. There's no oxygen allowed in, and all the beef is aging in their natural juices. What that means is that the enzymes in the beef are allowing it to tenderize and build up a lot of different flavors. So that way, by the time we open these bags and we cut them into steaks, our beef is flavorful, tender, and delicious, and ready to eat at home. Our beef ages about at least 4 weeks, and it comes from New Zealand and Australia. So while it's on a sea freight boat, it actually is aging during that process, and it's staying very cold, about 30 degrees, and it's coming overseas, and by the time it gets to us, it's all aged and ready to go.
So most beef is aged. We do it, like Julie talked about, with wet aging. There's another type of aging called dry aging, which is a little bit different than what we do. It all starts out the same way. So the packers will get the product, in the bags just like this, and then they'll open it up and they'll put them on open racks in an open room with heavy airflow, and they'll regulate the temperature and the moisture levels within the room, the humidity. And what that will do is it'll draw out all the moisture and it'll really concentrate the flavors and give it kind of a different flavor than what most people are used to. So we don't do that just because it will result in a lot of loss in moisture, which will then drive the price up, and it'll kind of make the price prohibitive. But however, if you're at like a high-end steakhouse or something like that, a lot of people like to do that because it will give you a different experience than what most people are used to.